mommy.
Your turn ka naman. Tapusin mo yan.
Your turn.
Ito ba, oh?
Mommy, I'm
Malapit na. Almost done.
almost done it.
Punuin mo hanggang dito. Yan pa, oh. Sige pa. Yan pa. Konti na lang. Go, go, kaste. Okay na yan. Good job. Ito na lang sa dulo.
Almost done.
Yay! Number 5. Color yellow.
Yellow.
Ayan, oh.
This is color yellow.
Yeah. Lahat yan, oh. Lahat na ng, ni duck, yellow.
What color is the pig?
Yellow, lahat yan.
Let's see.
Head and body. Punuin mo, ha? Sige pa, sige
Your
pa.
turn, mommy.
Ay, naku, Kuya Carlo ka. Go, go, kaste. Kaya mo yan. So, baliktarin mo. Yan. Sige, go. Faster, faster. Ito pa. Faster, faster. Bakit head mo yung faster, faster? Hindi yung slow. Run, 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 run. Tingnan mo naman yung kinocolor mo, hindi yung pati ulo mo, ano. Faster, faster. Pati katawan niya pa.
Mommy, your turn. Your turn, mommy.
Kaya mo yan, kaste. Go, go, kaste. Kaya mo yan. Go, kaste. Go. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin doon sa school mo, kaste. Kay teacher na. Teacher, your turn. Slow ikaw.
Mommy, your turn. Mommy, your turn.
Ay, nako, kaste ikaw.
I'm so hungry.
Opo, I'm so hungry.
Ako yung hungry kasi dito.
Katapos mo lang kumain ng madaming rice and egg. Ay, nako, ang estudyante ko na to.